Good morning, children. So from whatever you have posted from exercise 1.5, I can see that some of you have made a mistake in solving this problem. That is first one, exercise 1.5, first one, 8th bit. So what is this? Log of 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. So base is here. We know that if we can convert this one into the same kind 2 by 3, then problem will become very easy. So nothing to be worried. So now log 8 can be written as 2 cube. Yes. 27 can be written as 3 cube. So base 2 by 3 as it is. I write it here. So that is equal to. Now powers are common. So therefore I can write it as 2 by 3 whole cube. And the base is 2 by 3. So now what is this? Log a base a to the power something. So therefore 3 log 2 by 3 to base 2 by 3. Okay. So which one you are using? Log x power n base a is equal to n log x base n a. This is the rule what you are using here. Right? From that we got it. Now that is equal to 3 log a base a is 1. 3 into 1 which is equal to 3. So this is log a base a is equal to 1. You are using this property. So therefore, how do you conclude? Therefore, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 is equal to 3. Very interesting, no? Very, very interesting topic this is. Now, take a screenshot and copy this one. So, what's the logic here? Nothing. You have to make your whatever is given in the log form that into 2 by 3. So, if that sparks in your mind, automatically you will come to the conclusion. Now, next one. Evaluate in terms of x and y. That is the third problem from 1.5. If x is given to be log 3 base 2 and y is given to be log 5 base 2. I am taking second one here. Log 7.5 base 2. Very easy. Log 7.5 can be written as log 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is 7.5, is it not? Base 2 as it is I am leaving. Right. So therefore that is log 15 minus log 2 where base is common in both. From which formula? From which relation you are taking? Log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. This is the relationship you are using. This is the property you are using. Right. So log 15 minus log 2. Right. This is equal to log 15 base 2 as it is minus log 2 base 2 is 1. So minus 1 here. Right. Now log 15 base 2. 15 base 2 is can be written as 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Why am I writing it as 3 into 5? What is the need for me to write it? Because in the problem it is given that log 3 base 2 is x, log 5 base 2 is y, and we have to evaluate in terms of x and y. That means we must get an answer in terms of x and y. That means terms involved must be x and y. So whatever the problem which is given to me, I am trying to convert it into this form so that I can use these two. Right. So therefore 7.5 I converted into 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 is 15, log 15 minus log 2. So log 2 base 2 is 1. Now log 15. This 15 I am converting into 3 into 5. Base 2 is as it is minus log 1. So log, this can be written as log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus 1. What is log 3 base 2? X. What is log 5 base 2? Plus y minus 1. Beautiful. So therefore log 7.5 base 2 can be written as x plus y minus 1. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. Children, nothing is there here to explain. What you need to do is always apply those properties. Here which property we are using? Log x into y is equal to log x plus log y. Always. It's all the magic of properties. Right? So shall I copy this problem? Now let us proceed to the fourth problem. Expand the following. So which are the things? Two problems I am taking. Second bit and third bit. Let us see the second bit. Expand means what is there? Nothing. So log x by y. Log 128 plus log 625. Furthermore, if you want to express, then log 2 powers. How can you express it in 2 powers? You can just, those who don't know how to do it, so just I'll do the rough work and see how you can just raise it into 2 powers. Okay, if possible. 128. So 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. So children, did you get that one? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 2 power 7. 2 power 7 plus log 625. Those who don't know, you can apply this one in the similar manner how we did it with 2. You can do it with 5. Or else 625 is 25. 25 times is 625. 25 means 5 square. 5 square into 5 square, 5 power 4. So log 5 power 4. So this is totally expanded as 7 log 2 plus 4 log 5. This is the complete expansion of this one. So it is in log x by y form. Log x, log x minus log y, I'm sorry children. So this is minus log x minus log y. Now log x is represented in terms of powers now here. 128 is 2 power 7. 625 is 5 power 4. So therefore log x power n minus log y power m. N log x minus m log y. So this is the complete expansion of it. Okay. Yeah, please see that this is minus sign. Right. Please copy this one. Now let us proceed to the next one. Third one. Log x square y cube z power 4. So log a b c. Log of a plus log b plus log c. So simple. Now this is 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. This is the answer. This is the final answer. Please, but don't forget to write therefore. Therefore, because you are all class 10 children. When you are going to public exam, always conclusion, how you conclude is important. So this is how you have to conclude. Okay children, Karthikeya and Venkat Sai, I showed you this one for your sake only. 128, how to rise it into 2 powers. So this is how you have to divide with 2 continuously and check. Okay? Right, copy this. And the next problem here is x square plus y square is equal to 25xy. Prove that 2 log of x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. You may feel, ma'am, what is this? Nothing to be worried. So here if you observe this one, in which form it is? X plus y whole square form, is it not? It can be written as log of x plus y. This power will come here. Whole square. X plus y whole square. Is it not? So therefore let us write it in that form only. So now let us take that one. Solution. Given 2 log x plus y is the LHS. Okay. I am taking the LHS first. So this is log of x plus y whole square. Is it not? X plus y whole square. Now expand x plus y whole square. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Very good. But x square plus y square, this value is given to us. this value is given to us is 25xy. So I'll write it as 25xy plus 2xy. What is the reason you have to write? Since x square plus y square is equal to 25xy is given. This is given. So therefore, now log of 25xy plus 2xy. Very good. 27xy. Now I can expand this, is it not? Log 27 plus log x plus log y. We came to the answer. We are reaching it. 27 can be written as 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Very good. 3 cube. 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. What is this one? This is RHS. Hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Is it not? How did we take? He gave it in the form of x plus y whole square. We need to visualize that. Into the problem, when you look into the problem, you should understand what is given. X plus y whole square form is given in logarithms. And here in the given values, it is x square plus y square is equal to 2xy. Yeah, very easy to now to understand it. So therefore, now we are taking the LHS part. So converting it into x plus y whole square. Writing it in the expanded form. Substituting the given value. And then expanding the logarithm. And then finally taking it into the powers. And then final answer is RHS. What is RHS? 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. We got it. 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So LHS is equal to RHS. Right, children? Very, very easy if you can see it. Copy this problem. And now let me move to the last problem of the day. So if log of x plus y by 3 is equal to half log x plus log y, half log x plus log y, then find x by y plus y by x. Nothing to panic here. Similarly, how we are able to see that one previous case, same we have to see. So it is something like we want to eliminate logarithm. So in the previous case, logarithm is there, but here in this answer you don't have the logarithm. We have to find this value. It is not something like that we are given this and you have to find log value. No, we have to find this value. When we have to find this value, if this value doesn't have logarithm here. So let us see whether we can eliminate log on both sides. When we want to eliminate log on both sides, all the things should be brought under one log term. So okay, let us see that one now. Solution. So log x plus y by 3 as it is, which is equal to half log x plus log y, log xy. Okay. So therefore now log x plus y by 3 is equal to log x y whole power 1 by 2. Is it not? This is coming as a power here. So now you can eliminate log on both sides. Cancelling log on both sides. Or you can take anti-log on both sides. This is a new term that is coming. You can write it as taking anti-log or cancelling log on both sides. You have x plus y by 3 is equal to x y whole power 1 by 2 means root x y. Square root of x y. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So you will get x plus y by 3 whole square is equal to root xy whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. So x plus y whole square is equal to transpose 3 square is 9. 9xy. You are left with only xy here. So now x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 9xy. Yes, perfectly right. Yes. Now therefore now transpose this 2xy here. So the next step will be x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy. So therefore 9xy minus 2xy is 7xy. X square plus y square is equal to 7xy. Or x square plus y square by xy is equal to 7. So I'll split this one. X square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7. So 1x and x got cancelled. 1y and y got cancelled. We are left with x by y plus here y by x, which is equal to 7. So we got which value we have to find out? X by y plus y by x. We got it. X by y plus y by x is equal to 7. So this is the answer. Okay. So just copy the problem. So here in this problem there is no log term in this, in which what we have to determine. So therefore our approach should be in such a way that all the terms should be converted into single log term and then cancel log on both sides. This is the only change that you have to bring in the problem. Then only you can come to this conclusion. And the remaining things automatically follow. Yeah, please copy this. This is the last problem I am doing. Please try to complete all the remaining problems from the exercise.